In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variants in Shopify with this step-by-step tutorial for 2020. If you're managing a store and looking to offer your products in different sizes, colors, or other variations, understanding how to add these options is essential. Let's dive in. To get started, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head over to your store's homepage. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with the familiar dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your store, processing orders, and customizing your products. Make sure you're in the section where all your products are listed, as we're going to focus on making changes to a specific product today. Find the product that you want to add variants to. For this example, let's say we're working with a shirt called Example Shirt 2. Click on it to open up its detailed view. Here, you'll be able to see all the information about this product, such as the description, pricing, and current availability. It's from this point that we can start adding those important variants. Now, look for the Variants tab within this product's detail page. Click on Variants, and this is where the magic happens. In this section, you're going to configure different versions of your product, such as small, medium, or large shirts, as well as different color options. Variants help in streamlining inventory management and enabling your customers to select their preference directly when shopping. Next up, you'll spot an option that says Add options like size or color. This option is your gateway to customizing what buyers can select. Click on it, and you're presented with a few customization fields. The default placeholder might suggest size or color, but you're not restricted to these. You can enter customized options that align with what you offer. After naming your option, you'll need to specify the values, such as red, blue, green, or small, medium, large, depending on the aspect you're customizing. Enter each value separated by a comma. Once you've set your options, take a moment to review everything before saving. This is also where you can set pricing specifics if different variants come at different costs. For example, you might want to modify the price if a particular variant of the product is more costly to produce. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your variants are set up, you'll save your changes. Now, when customers visit your store, they will see drop-down menus that correspond to the variants you've set up, allowing them to choose exactly what they want. That's all there is to it. It's a straightforward process once you understand the layout, and it's incredibly rewarding to equip your store with these flexible selling options. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy selling!